All right, welcome to this month's edition of the San Diego Java Users Group. Yeah, the slide's still the same, cell phone's the stun, but it really probably says please mute. Our lineup today, had to rejigger that. Our first lunch and learn with all of you providing your own food and drink. So definitely a different kind of a lunch and learn to have. We have three speakers today, Zoran, Kevin, and Frank, talking with us on the machine learning API that they've been working on. And then, of course, we'll wrap it up. We got the meeting for as long as we want. Probably do need to get back to work sometime today, though. So for all of those who may be new, this is something that, okay, I don't know, you can't raise your hands, I can't see them. Next time we'll try a different Zoom meeting format where maybe we can see your hands. But our mission statement of why we do these meetings, to provide an environment where we can share what's happening around town in San Diego. Technically what's going on with the Java community or cool things that are happening around town. You had to join us on the meetup site. So it's like, that's how you become a member, tell your friends. And then we try to do some postings up on the Facebook and LinkedIn. ResMed is our sponsor, really big time right now with providing this Zoom capability. So that's good stuff. And like I said earlier, we're kind of learning about which way to go about doing that. So yeah, let's see. There we go. Announcements. Okay, so I'm always looking for speakers. I'm very happy to get the trio today. It took a while, but we finally got it. I'm looking for speakers into the future. I may be doing another of these lunch and learn sessions next Tuesday with a colleague of mine out of Dublin, just going over some of the JDK features. But if you have ideas that you're wanting to talk about, that would be a great opportunity. And we can work on the length of time. It doesn't have to be the full hour or 45 minutes. As we've done in the past, we can put quite a few speakers together now that we're online. The usual stuff of looking for work and hiring managers. Let's give it a shot. Is there anyone looking for work? Go ahead and unmute yourself and we'll try it. And it's like looking for raised hands. I'm looking and I don't see anybody unmuting. So, okay. Is there any hiring managers in the audience today? Dun, dun, dun. Okay. Then we move on. The SD Kotlin group is still meeting on the first Wednesday of each month, talking about Kotlin stuff. In fact, my friend and colleague is running that show and just got himself a position in the company that is switching to Kotlin. So it's very relevant to him. So more Kotlin information coming up. And San Diego can't be San Diego without the annual Comic-Con. But it's virtual, so if you haven't heard, everybody can attend and it's free, so it should be a lot of fun, though not as much fun as being there. I don't know how you do virtual cosplay, but yeah, we'll see how it goes. They're working on something. Then of course, anything else coming out of the San Diego area, so type it in the chat channel or go ahead and unmute yourself if you had something. The awkward pause moments here of a virtual meeting. No worries. Okay, the speakers, which are all three here, which is great, and we'll give them more detailed information about each one of them as we get into their talk. And I think on the site I did their LinkedIn addresses but their names actually correspond to LinkedIn addresses too. So if you want to dig up more information, and let's see, there we go with the today is your day here at ResMed. We do have some opportunities for people, but it is like during the time of COVID, we're reassessing a lot of things here. Hopefully your companies and your families are safe in this time of our pandemic. Okay, and that is it. So pause, stop.